Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. This is the session where we analyze the market together and look for entry opportunities. So, if this is your first time joining us, you're welcome. Um, on this live stream, we analyze the market, as I've said earlier, and we look for entry opportunities. Okay. So, if you don't have fund in your account, if you don't have or you don't have enough fund, go and fund your account. Okay, it's very very important because I'm going to be giving out free, um, free signals. All right. So yesterday I gave a signal before the end of our session because the first one we took, I think the first one went into loss. Then I gave the second one, and it was profitable. Okay, it was profitable, and I hope everybody made money from that. Okay. So I also gave this to my premium members yesterday, and we closed when the market was around this area. We made a lot of money. So we also have a premium group, all right, where I give signals to the premium members. If you are interested to join the premium group, all you have to do is fund your account on this live stream. Okay, how do you do that? You see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on? Yeah, the banner that is in between the video and the chat room. Okay, yeah, that banner. So just click on the banner. It will take you to where you can fund your account. Okay. So when you fund $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you fund $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you fund $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. Then you also get the benefit of having a one-on-one session with me. Okay, so guys, come and join the premium group. Christmas is fast approaching. I think we have less than a week to Christmas. Yeah. So you can still make something good before Christmas. Okay. You can still make something good. So come and join the premium group. All right. Come and make money. All right. Come and make money. You see, there's money in Forex. The only problem is if you don't have the knowledge, you're just going to keep losing. Okay. Um, and again, in Forex trading, every day is not going to be the same thing. Okay. I hope you all understand that. So every day is not going to be the same thing. Sometimes you encounter losses, but the most important thing is you want to have more winnings than losses. Okay, that is the importance. Okay, that is the most important part of forex trading. You want to have more winnings, not accumulating losses every time. So you want to make sure that you have winnings. So even though you also have losses, but they are not so much. Okay, they are not so much. So winning is very important in forex trading. Winning is very important, and you need a professional for you to be able to achieve that. And who is the professional here? Obviously, it's me. So that is why I keep advising you guys to fund your account and come and join my premium group. Okay, so that way you don't have to worry about I don't know how to make analysis. I'm not getting this properly, or I took a trade and I went into loss. Okay, not that I'm telling you that if you join me, you'll not, encounter losses. Of course, every business encounter losses. It's not possible for you to have a business without having a loss. But the most important thing is how are you able to manage the loss? Okay, if you buy, let's say you bought 20 egg right now, you want to sell the 20 egg. Are you sure that you're going to be able to sell all of the whole 20 eggs? The answer is no. Okay. So you might come across problems like maybe few eggs got broken or stuff like that. So some might even damage. Okay. But the most important thing is the few ones remaining. How are you able, you know, did you make profit from the remaining ones? That is what is more important. Okay, not that when you maybe you miss the two got broken out of the 20 eggs, then you lose interest. No, this thing don't be my way. All the two out of 20 has been broken already. let me just forget about this business and eat the remaining egg. No, business doesn't work that way. Okay, every business has their own ups and downs. Okay, every business. Okay, if you're not into business, if you're not a businessman or a businesswoman, ask around. Every business has their own ups and down. So as you know, forex also. So forex has its own ups and down. Doesn't mean that people doesn't make profit from it. I make profit from it. Okay, and there are so many other people out there, that make good profit from forex trading. But the most important thing is the consistency you apply to it. Okay, obviously you need money. That is why I was telling you guys to fund your account. How do you want to make money if you don't have funds? It's not possible. Yeah, it's not possible. So fund your account and always practice risk management. How do you practice risk management? Don't go overboard. Okay, so don't be a greedy person when you are trading forex. Don't be the kind of person that you have $10 and you are eyeing to make 1 million. No, now can you get 20 egg and make 1 million from 20 eggs? It's not possible. Yeah, so it's the same thing with forex. So if you take forex as a business, even though you don't know how to trade it, your own, by yourself, but you are buying signal, you still make profit. The most important thing is how you are able, to do those things properly. Okay, how you are able to manage your risk. Don't over leverage. So what I mean by don't over leverage is don't use more too much of your account, too much of your equity. You are having $10, you are using 0.10. That's suicide. Okay, or you are having $10, you are using 0.1, and you open maybe multiple positions, like two, three positions. That is still a suicide to me. Open just one position, even if it is just $2 you made from that one. At least you are making profit. That is the most important thing. Okay. All right. So enough of the lecture, guys. Enough of the lecture. Let's see what we can do this morning before the time goes. Right. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. So what can we do? Okay, just a minute here, guys. Let me quickly check something. I haven't really, pay attention to. I haven't really paid attention to. Okay, okay. So I haven't really paid attention to the fundamental aspect of market for today. I checked it this week though, for the whole of this week, but I still love to check it. Yeah, it is very important. Okay, you need to check your analysis all the time. It's very, very important. And guys, if you want to learn how to, check your analysis, go and fund your account with $200. Okay, if you want to learn how to check, analysis, fundamental analysis, go and fund $200 in your account. All right. So that way, I'll teach you everything that you need to know. Everything you need to know. So I'll teach you the simple ways, how you can easily, read the news and say this is where the market is heading to, or this is what is going to happen, soon in the forex market. But if you don't know how to read, if you don't know how to read your fundamental analysis, sometimes it's a bit hard. Okay, sometimes it's a bit hard because if you don't know how to read it, obviously you're just going to stick to price actions. I'm not saying price actions don't work. Okay, price action is also a very good way to get a very good entry. But you need, the saying that if you get all the information, you know exactly the direction. Okay. I don't think it's a saying. I think I was the one that invented that just now. Yeah, well, it is what it is, guys. So if you have all the information that is needed, you know exactly where to go, you know exactly where to, keep your focus. All right. So if you know what the market is saying, if you know what to do in the market, I think it makes work easier. So what I mean by easier is even your analysis, okay, even your fundamental analysis, you know where to look, you know the angle to look at the market from. Okay. So let's say, okay, you are confused. You don't know if the USD pairs are going to buy or they are going to sell. From your fundamental analysis, you can easily tell, okay, this is going to sell for today, this is going to buy for today. You understand? So that's just it, guys. That's just it. All right. So let's. Okay. So I think I might I might give this to my premium members. Okay, I might give this to the premium members. Yes, I might give it to the premium members. Okay. Well, let's just. So we have an uptrend here. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so we are currently on the 1 minute time frame. All right. I'm not gonna take this trade. Okay, I'm not gonna take this trade. And the reason why I'm not gonna take it is because um, you know, we have clear indications that the market is going to go bullish. Okay, we have clear indications that the market would go bullish. So I don't see a reason why I should go bearish on a market that is about to go bullish. Yeah. I don't know if you understand, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so just a second. Just a second, guys. Just bear with me, okay? 158.80. 157.1. Okay. All right. Just few more seconds, guys. Trying to say something here. All right. So I guess that is done. Okay, so we are currently on this. Okay, I guess we can actually scrap this from the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so now let's see if we are going to get a rejection around this area. Okay, so if this market closes below these moving averages, then we take our sell. Okay, hopefully the sell holds because overall the market is in uptrend. So even if we take a sell here, we're not going to stay in the trade for long. It's just for a short while. All right. Okay, so we got a rejection there, and it was a good one. So let's wait and see if this next candle is going to give us another rejection to the downside. If it does give us a rejection to the downside, then we take our sell trade. If not, then we look for another candle to analyze on. You see, as I've said, the market is in uptrend. Okay, it's on uptrend. So taking a sell is very risky here. And I'm happy that the market has done this. Okay. So the market is actually coming, it's heading to this area. Okay, it's heading towards that level. All right. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so let's make another analysis. Oh wow, I love this. It's AUDCAD. So we have all this zone here. Okay, we have all this zone on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and the market is pretty much still going up. Which is a good thing. So let me quickly do my thing. Let me quickly do that thing that I used to do. Yeah. Let me quickly analyze the market here. Okay. So going down to the 5 minutes time frame, we have this. If you want to understand and learn what I'm doing here, go and fund your account with at least $200. Have the session with me. Let me, explain everything in details. Things you need to know that you don't know. Yeah, I love to call it that. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the market came to this level, which is good. So right now we have another zone, which is this level to this level. So if this market goes above this zone, then I forget about all of this setup. But if the market comes down, if the market gives a rejection, I would have entered from this rejection. And this is one thing that you guys need to pay attention to. You see how the market came down from that level. I'm coming. I'm just going to show you something. Okay. So you see how the market, made this move around this area. Though this is not a good rejection, okay, trust me, it's not a good rejection. This is a continuation pattern rather, because this is a doji. So dojis are continuation patterns, okay, so they are not reversal patterns. The only time you get reversal pattern is if you have a doji and you also have, like, okay, so what we need here is a hammer, yeah. No, not a hammer. I think it's a shooting star, okay, for the market to come down. So if you had something like that, then the market is definitely going to go down. But right now, we only have the doji. We don't know if this is going to close here or this is the 15 minutes time frame. And on the 15 minutes time frame, we still have 8 minutes to the end of this candle. So before the end of this candle, the market can still, suck down and give us the rejection we want. So if that is the case, then we can now take a sell entry. But as for now, there's no confirmation yet. All right. Okay, so let's look for another one. But before then, guys, excuse me for just a minute. All right. Okay, guys. So I'm back. All right. And as you can see here, you see what I said. The market just keeps moving to the upside. Okay. So in this case, this doesn't look like a good setup to me. So, well, we're still going to give it a chance. We're just going to be looking, checking, the trade once in a while to see if the market would come back down. So, but if I still get a rejection there, definitely I'm going to take an entry. Okay. But for now, there's no opportunity. Okay. I'll come back to check it. Though the candle hasn't closed yet, the candle is still forming. Okay, so before the end of the candle, the market can still decide. Yeah, that is one thing you guys also need to know about forex. The market can actually decide anytime. Okay, you can just see the market shut down once, so it happens also. Okay, the market is going down. Uh, okay, let's just wait. I think we have less than 5 minutes here, less than 4 minutes rather. Let's just wait for this. So after the end of this, if it's a good entry, I can actually give you guys this. You know, um, so let's just give this a little bit of time. Let's see how it plays out. So if it closes with a strong bullish momentum, we leave and look for another entry opportunity. All right. Okay. So less than 3 minutes to the end of that candle. If the candle closes with a wick above and a body below, a long wick and a short body, okay, giving us a good rejection pattern, then we take our sell to the downside, right? And we're probably going to set, a stop loss and take profit on this trade. But again, judging from what is happening currently on the 5 minutes time frame, I don't see any reversal happening here anytime soon. So, okay, there might be. Um, the market is currently on a zone, and if this candle closes, with this long candle, this is definitely going to be a bearish engulfing candle. So the market can continue, trading to the downside. Let's just give it a chance. Let's see how the candle is going to close. We have less than 2 minutes here. Okay, that's nice. All right. So just few seconds to the end of this candle. Okay, that's good. That's good. If you check, you see what I was talking about earlier. You see the candle closed right below, which is a very good sign. Okay, it's a very good sign. So guys, let's take a sell on AUD USD. Okay, sell AUD USD. We sold from here. So now we are gonna have a take profit and a stop loss. Okay, we are gonna have a take profit and a stop loss. So our TP, that's our take profit, and our stop loss is going to be. And guys, please make sure you are risking very little. Okay, make sure you are risking very little. Do not risk too much. Okay, so we have a take profit, we have a stop loss. Let's see how this market plays out. Okay, so if before the end of our session we get a good market movement, then we close positions. All right, so let's say before the end of our session the market comes to this level. Okay, when the market comes here, I'm going to close some positions, trust me. All right, so we are in profit right now, even though it's not much, but at least. So let's look for another market. Let's analyze another one. Let's analyze another market and see what opportunity we can get from this. So I think we have another one here. Yeah, I think we do. I think we have another one. Yeah, we do have, but I'm not going to take this. And the reason is because this market rejected from this zone. Okay, rejected from that zone. Yeah, I would have taken this if I saw this earlier. But now that the market has made the move to this area, this would have been my take profit. This would have been my stop loss. So this is where I would have taken the trade from. Okay. So this would have been my stop loss, maybe here or here. Okay. This would have been my stop loss, and this would have been my take profit. But now that the market is currently here, there's no point taking this trade. All right. There's no point. So let's continue making more analysis. Okay. Okay, so we have another zone around this area, which is also a very good zone. And I think the market would, most definitely want to make move from such area. So, Okay. Let's go back to our trade. See how our trade is doing. Okay. So not yielding any profit yet. All right. So I'm gonna keep a lookout on this trade. And when this gets here and I get the rejection, I'm going to share this with everybody. Okay. All right. So we have this zone where I think the market can also make a move from. If the market does make a move from here, the market will continue because obviously, as you can see on the higher time frame, the market, has broken out of this area, made this retest, and the market keeps going up to the upside. So if this market make this move back into this area, it's just going to continue to fly to the upside. Okay, so I'm also going to keep a lookout on that, see how that plays out. Okay, so let's delete everything here and make fresh analysis. All right. Okay. So let me quickly finish up with my analysis here and see if this is going to be a good reversal point. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes time frame. All right. Okay. So right now, okay, okay, okay. All right. So as I've said earlier, I need this market to come into this area before I can, start talking about looking for opportunities. All right. Okay. Okay. So right now the market is heading close to that area. All right. It's heading close to it. And when the market gets there, all right. So this market is getting close to this area. And once it does get in here and, give us that proper rejection, we take our buy trade. Okay. And as I've said earlier, again, you see this market is a downtrend market. Okay. And we got the confirmation even from here also. So even if we are going to scalp this, it's just going to be for, a little while. Okay. See, so the market gave us a breakout here, came back to make a retest around this area and continue to go down. So this is why we can't stay long in the market. But sometimes, you know, the trend line is wrong sometimes because the market doesn't, really just follow the trend line. I think the market, I'm more confident, let me put it that way. I'm more confident if my analysis is from my support or my resistance, okay, and not the trend line. So now that the market is, getting inside a support zone, I expect the market to at least make a little retracement. So I can just stay on the 1 minute time frame once I get the retracement and, use this area as my take profit area. Okay. But since that is not going to happen anytime soon, I think we should continue to look for, more entries. Let's just continue. Let's continue. So we are currently on the 1 hour time frame. Euro CAD. Euro CAD. So there are multiple areas the market can reverse from. Okay, I left that because I wasn't getting any opportunity. You see, even when the market is on, you know, uptrend or downtrend in the higher time frame, it still doesn't mean that you can't scalp it on the lower time frame. Okay, that is one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind. You can always scalp the market on the lower time frame. Doesn't matter the direction the market is on the higher time frame. Okay, because you see, some mentors will tell you, okay, I think this is the signal I gave you guys yesterday, Euro CHF. So who remember this? Who remember this? We took the entry from here. Okay, even though we had this little drawdown, but the market still came. Okay, the market gave us profit. Okay, I made profit from here to here, you see. So we made profit from this trade. This was shared yesterday morning. So as I was saying earlier, some mentors will tell you, no, if your higher time frame is in uptrend, follow uptrend. If your higher time frame is in downtrend, follow downtrend. Yeah, that is very good if you do that. But doesn't mean that you can scalp on the lower time frame, even if you can buy on the lower time frame if the higher time frame is selling. Okay, because a candle on the 1 hour time frame, let's say you have a bearish candle, just one bearish candle on the 1 hour time frame. You can scalp the bearish candle on the 1 minute for 60 minutes, because 60 minutes make 1 hour. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, but that's just the scope. So that is why you see scalpers, they don't have problem, getting multiple opportunities, getting multiple entries. Okay, even when you are looking for entries, they are always giving out signals. They are always taking entries, and the reason is because they are scalping. So the opportunity is always there. Okay, different from you that is not scalping. You're on the higher time frame. You are waiting for the market to make a move, and if the market doesn't make a move earlier, you don't make anything. Okay, so we have this. Okay. So we have this zone. If the market goes back into that zone, we are going to take our entry. So we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame, Euro CHF. Let's just wait a bit on this. Okay, since the current candle, is still printing. Let's give the current candle a chance. Okay, so after it fully forms and it gives us the entry around this area, then we take our sell trade. So let me just set everything. the way it should be. Right. Okay. So as you can see, the market is making a move to the upside right now. Okay. Less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. Less than a minute now. Okay. 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 So the market is currently inside. The first candle closed, but the no opportunity was given. Okay. So we have the next candle inside right now. And let's see if this is going to give us the opportunity we want. Okay. So that's a good rejection. It's a good rejection, but it's still better if we wait for, a better confirmation. So less than 3 minutes to the end of this current candle. Guys, get your account ready. Euro CHF. Okay, get your account ready because right now I love the rejection this is giving us. So this could probably be our second entry for today. Okay. So go to Euro CHF, and once we get that confirmation, we are selling immediately. Oh wow. So there's something here that I want you guys to pay close attention to. See how I was able to get that specific entry. Yeah. See how I was able to say this is where the market would go, and see how the market, started making a move from there. Yeah. So those are the details you need to pay attention to. All right. Um, only a professional can do this kind of thing without having, to worry about is this right or not? So look at this. Specifically, the market got in and the market started trading to the downside. If we took the entry when immediately it got in, we would have, been in good profit by now. But unfortunately, we didn't. Okay, a few seconds to the end of this candle. Okay, so the next candle has just started printing, but we are not going to take this trade. And the reason why we're not going to take it is because if you look at this clearly, the market has moved down, almost it's even close to where we set our take profit level. Okay, so we don't have enough time. If not, I would have said let's wait until the market comes back, to close this area. Right, then we would have taken our trade from here and use this area as our stop loss rather, okay, instead. Uh, but as it is now, we can't take this trade. So this is our next point in line where we can take the trade from. Our stop loss will be here, and our take profit will definitely be around this area. Okay. So you can still keep a lookout on this. All right. You can still keep a lookout. But as for now, we're just gonna, you know, um, end our session here because it's already past 11. Okay, I remember we have our Telegram question and answer session coming up by 11:30. That is less than 30 minutes from now. Okay, so guys, let's get together on the Telegram question and answer session. Right. So that will be all for this morning. I'll see you on the Telegram live. Bye.